Welcome to English Easy. Today we're testing 10 phrases that even native speakers get wrong. Think you know advanced English? Let's find out. The documentary piqued my interest in ancient Rome. Which is correct? The appetizer whet our appetite for the main course. I don't dislike him per se, I just find him annoying. Which is correct? That's a moot point since the deadline has passed. Which is correct? The CEO and founder are one and the same person. Let's keep going with 5 more. Which is correct? We need to nip this problem in the bud before it grows. Which is correct? We waited with bated breath for the announcement. Which is correct? Don't take your health for granted. Which is correct? We'll have to make do with what we have. Which is correct? I could have finished earlier if I'd tried harder. That's all 10. How did you do? If you got 8 or more correct, you're in the top 5% of English speakers. Comment your score below and let me know which one surprised you most. Don't forget to subscribe for more advanced English lessons, and I'll see you in the next video.